Trust me, this is one of the most exciting salads you'll ever eat. Tangy, sweet, savoury and aromatic. Perfect combination of flavours and textures. We'll start with fennel. If you've never used it in salads before, you've been missing out. It's delicious. Trim and quarter the bulb, then slice off this bit of core. Slice the fennel lengthwise quite thinly. If you have one of those fancy mandolin slicers, it's time to finally use it. Into a salad bowl. Now apples. Choose sweeter varieties to balance the sharpness of grapefruit. Remove the core. I prefer to keep the skin on, but feel free to peel your apples. Slice into matchsticks. Add to the bowl with fennel. Grapefruit is a must in this salad. Pink one works the best, color and flavor-wise. It might be a bit annoying to peel, but it's totally worth it. Divide grapefruit into segments and carefully peel each segment. Tear into smaller pieces directly into the bowl. Now the dressing that will bring it all together. Extra virgin olive oil, juice of half of a lemon, a tablespoon of whole grain mustard, a clove of garlic, and half a teaspoon of salt. Shake it well and drizzle over your salad. So, what do you think about this combination of ingredients? Let me know in the comments below and subscribe for more recipes like this.